Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have some things to unbox. This is from eBay. Long time ago, when Darren and I first were married, we had absolutely no money, and when I say no money, I mean we didn't have, you ever heard the saying, we didn't have a pot to piss in or a window to throw it out of? That actually has a meaning. And back in, what in medieval times, people sold their urine out of pots to leather workers, and they used that to tan the leather.
And laundry for
And
whitening.
laundry, yeah, believe it or not, they did laundry in it too because of the ammonia. Thank you. Wishing you a happy new year. And some people were so poor, like Darren and I, they didn't have a pot to piss in, and also people threw their waste, bodily waste, out windows. When you see that on movies, that was a real thing. I can't get over it, but it was. And so people would say, I don't have a pot to piss in or a window to throw it out of. And we didn't either. But when Christmas came, we didn't have a tree or lights or much. Darren did put up lights for me, though. That was really fun. I had bought from a little store, which is a whole story in itself I'm not going to go into. They had really good deals. These little tie heart dolls. And I took them and I made a manger scene. I made Mary and Joseph and the different ones, and then I had the animals. I had some, what did I have? Camels and donkeys, and I think I had some sheep. And I put those on a shelf, and that was the only Christmas decorations that Darren and I had. So when I saw her, and she had shoes, I don't remember ever seeing the shoes, I thought, you know, I should do that again. Look at that, she has earrings. How cute, and they're metal. How cute is she? She's just a little tie heart doll, rag doll. And I thought, you know, I'm going to start watching for these and make a little scene. Just what I need, another type of doll. Actually, I have a few. But ours, we had taken it with us to South Dakota when we moved. And we had no shelter in South Dakota. And we had we took the good stuff with us, which was a mistake. Put it in tubs, and the weather there destroyed it. Oh, good. This is what I thought. This is the only thing that came? Huh. That's interesting. This is for my kintsugi. Is that how you say it?
Yep.
Kintsugi faced girl, my new Smart Doll face. I had the body from my, oh, what's her name? I can't think of it. Oh, what the heck is this? Stickers? I don't know. I won't use those. Let's see how she looks in her new outfit. Oh, my. I wanted to stop as I'm dressing her and show you this. Absolutely. I have that not right. There we go. Oh, my God. And it has, I'm going to put this over it, but I wanted to show it before. Look at this. It's got sleeves in here, too. Oh, my. And then it's got this piece. Oh, this is gorgeous. It came with underwear. My dolls don't wear underwear. They have nothing to hide and nothing to protect and no moisture, so they don't need those. Let me get her dressed and show you the rest. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at this. I just, look at the top. Oh, it's gorgeous. I absolutely love this outfit. I cannot tell you. It is made so beautifully. I got it on AliExpress. So worth the money. I paid less than $17 for this outfit. I did not expect the double sleeves. I did not expect this to be actually embroidered. It is lovely. And for those of you that would tell me I have a Japanese doll in a Chinese outfit, you know what? I like it. I like it a lot. Let me get her turned around so you can see the back. Wow. I love this. I don't know that I have a place to set her up in this yet, but oh my God, I absolutely love this. I know I need a background. Our background, well, that's a whole nother story. So here we are, still at the kitchen counter, but that's going to change soon. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.